A ball is thrown vertically upward with the initial speed of 2 meter per second. When the ball is caught on the way down, its speed is 22 meter per second. Considering gravity act at 10 meter per second square, was the person who caught the ball standing at the same height? Okay, not at the same height. At a height, it can't be at the same height, right? Because of this point. Which point? Velocity at any height, right? Because of that point. It can't be the same height because it will be returning at 2 meter per second square itself. Standing at a height above the point where it's thrown or below the... Actually, it's quite simple. It has to be below. So I'll also add, find the difference or the distance between them. Find the distance or displacement between them. Okay, that's the additional part of the question. So I made a point that it has to be below. Why is it? I threw an object with the velocity of 2 meter per second. And I'm telling that the object has to be here, pointing downwards, for it to reach a speed of 22 meters. Quite simple, right? See, if I happen to throw an object, say this is 22, it will reach a height with a 0 velocity per second, and then it will start dropping, reaching a velocity of 22 meter per second. Sorry, not 22, 2 meter per second. And then it will keep increasing the speed. Only then it will be able to reach 22. So it started with 2, it went to 0. And again, along the way, it will be 1 somewhere. And 2 here and 22 here. So my question now is, what is this height? We call this as D. What is this D? That's my question. Okay, so there's a typo error. I corrected that and now I added an extra part. So can you guys figure it out? I'll consider downward direction as positive direction. Now we have the working v square is equal to u square plus 2 into a into s. Final velocity is 22 square, so 484. Initial velocity is 4, 2 square. Remember, the object has gone up and come down at the same height. It is going to be 2 itself. Plus 2 into, I'm considering acceleration as positive because it's pointing downwards. And we have to find s. So that would be 480 by 20. So 24 meters. So you guys can finally write the statement and all of that. The object will achieve the speed of 22 meter per second below the initial point. Below the initial point. And the gap between them is 24 meters.